I want to cover two quick and easy ways to make a room in your house bulletproof. My name, by the way, is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer. You might recognize me from Shark Tank or Fox News.
Please welcome back former CIA officer Jason Hanson.
Former CIA Jason Hanson.
This handsome fella is Jason Hanson. Okay.
This is Jason Hanson, former CIA guy.
I had someone ask me, they said, hey, I want to make, a room in my house bulletproof in case I have to hunker down, in case there's some crazy end of the world scenario. And they said, hey, I'm not rich. I don't have $1 million to spend for some bulletproof panic room and all that kind of jazz. So what is a way that I can do it without spending a fortune? Well, I'm going to tell you two ways. One way takes a little bit more effort. The other way is super simple, and you probably have some of it lying around your house. So way number one is simply sandbags. You could take sandbags and line a storage room in your basement or line some room in your basement. And that is a very quick way, maybe not quick because it takes a while to do the sandbags, but how about cheap way to have a bulletproof area in your house, bulletproof room. I have filled a lot of sandbags in my day. It's not the world's most enjoyable task. I've done it at our shooting range when we're holding down targets and doing some shooting drills and all that. But sandbags will stop both pistol and rifle rounds. So you can do that. That's a way that will definitely make a room in your whole house bulletproof if you line it around there. Now, the easier way, the simpler way, is copy paper, printer paper. Go to Office Depot, go to Walmart, go to Staples. So buy the box of copy paper. When you take that copy paper home, you want to turn it on its side. So don't just stack it like you're stacking a Xerox box full of paper. Turn it on its side and stack it that way. And that copy paper will provide a bulletproof area for you. So same thing with the sandbags. You could just line a room with copy paper or line an area with copy paper. Stops both pistol and rifle rounds. So if you were to take an AR-15 and you would take one of those boxes of copy paper you buy, turn it on its side, the rifle round will go through the first 3 reams of paper, but will stop after that. Plus, again, once you buy copy paper, you'll have a lifetime supply of paper in case you need it for your printer and whatnot. So I would recommend the copy paper if you're really serious about bulletproofing a little area, just because it's so easy to do. You can buy it. It's not super expensive. It's a lot cheaper than spending $1 million on a, some kind of panic room and all that. That's all I got for you now, because I got to run. As you can see, I'm sitting in my car. Make sure you like, subscribe. Also, make sure you check out the link below if you're truly serious about home defense, protecting your home. A former CIA officer, buddy of mine, I'm a former CIA officer, but this is a guy who's a friend of mine, put together an amazing training of home defense tactics. It is not for the squeamish, because some of it's going to be controversial, but if you want to know the best way to protect your home, check out the link below. You'll see that, and have a wonderful rest of the day.